Hello students, welcome to the time classes. Today's class we are discussing questions from this CLAT 25. Okay, previous year's question paper here. We'll discuss two data interpretation questions. Okay, let's see them. Okay, one after the other. See this first set of questions here. Okay, in data interpretation. Okay, it reads, Mr. Das is working in a construction company. He has a family, including his wife and a daughter. His total monthly income includes a salary of 9 to 8 and a 10% house rent allowance. Okay, so the salary which is getting here is in two parts here. Okay, one he said his income is in two parts here. One is said as a salary here, and the other one is a house rent allowance. Okay, that house rent allowance is given as 10% here. It means it is 10% of that 9 to 8 here. Okay, now next one, it reads, due to the increasing inflation, he is keeping a home budget that accounts to the income and expenses of the household here. Okay, income, we know there are two parts here. Now we have to see what are the expenses. It reads, out of his total monthly income, he spends 25% on the expenses, 18% on house rent, 9% on entertainment, 23% on education of his child, 13% on medical expenses, and he saves 12% of his total monthly income. Okay, let us understand here. Let us see see carefully here. Is the expenses actually okay? Whatever his expenses are there, are they all included in this list or not? Let's try to find it out. See here, let's add all these percentages and check, is it 100% or not? Okay, here it is 25 here, 25 plus 18 here. Okay, how much it is 43 here, 43 and a plus 9 here. How much it is 52 here. Okay, 52 and then plus a 23 here. How much here is 75 and here it is the 13 plus a 12 is how much? It is 25. 75 plus 25 is how much? It is 100%. So we can tell this one, his expenses actually are given like this. Okay, are distributed in this one: food expenses, house rent, entertainment, education, medical expenses, and the total monthly income. So the description which is given is about this one: what is his income, okay, and his monthly expenses. Okay, now based on the above information, answer the following questions here. Okay, let's answer the following questions here. See this first question. It reads, how much money remains for the other expenses after the house rent and savings? Please observe this one. Okay, for house rent here we know this one, it's how much? It is 18% here, and he is going to save how much? It is 12%. Okay, 18 plus a 12, how much? It is 30%. So here I can tell this one, for these two categories here, okay, that is house rent and savings here, we can tell this one, it is how much? It is 30% of the income here. Okay, so can we tell this one? For the other expenses, actually, he is actually going to spend how much? It is 100 minus 30% here, which equals how much? It is equal to 70%. 70% of the income. Okay, but we want this actually in a particular as a number here, as a different number we want it here. Now see here, what do we know about his income here? His income actually is in two parts here. Please see, it is equal to, okay, how much? It is 9228 here plus a 10%. Okay, so hence we can tell this one, it is 9228 here plus a 10% of it. 10% of it can easily be calculated. It's like this 922 and then 8 here. Let's add them. This is 8 here, 10, 2, 4 and a 5 here, 9, 10, 11, and this is 10. So 1050.8 actually is his total monthly income. Okay, and then how much is he giving for the other expenses? Here means other than this one, house rent and savings, it is 70% of this. So exactly what are we supposed to calculate? It is 70% of how much? It is equal to 10150.8 here. Okay, that's it here. So hence, okay, 10 I can eliminate this one, and then multiply this, it is 1015, okay, 08 and then into a 7 whole divided by 100 here. 7 8, how much is it? It is equal to 56. Okay, 5 7, how much? It is 35 here. 717, 8 9 10 here. Okay, and 717 here. Okay, divide this by 100 here. You are going to get 7105.56 here. 7105.56 here. Okay, from the options we can see it is 7106 is the most closest one here. So we can tell option C is the answer. Okay, that's the answer to this question here.